Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Samsung Crystal UHD 4K Tizen Smart TV. Alright, so right here we got our Crystal UHD Tizen Smart TV. This one is 2.5 deep by 44 inch wide by 24.5 inches high, so it is very sleek and slim. The resolution of this TV is 4K. It is a smart TV, so you do get apps like Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, Hulu. This is a really nice thin TV. It weighs about 25.1 pounds. The dimensions are 2.5 by 4.4 by 24.5. This is a super nice TV. So first off in the box, we do get a quick setup guide. This basically shows you how to set up your TV. And then you have the legs, you got the TV itself. So right now it's showing you how to set it up first. This is the guide. And then in here you do get the legs. So these are the legs that just slides right into the TV. And then you do get the power cord, you get the remote control. It does come with batteries, so you don't have to worry about purchasing any batteries because it does come included. So in the box you do get the power cable, user manual, e-manual, and then you get the standard remote. So it does have some of this packing just to make sure that your TV is protected when shipping. So without the stand, it is 44 by 25.4 by 2.4. With the TV stand, it's 44 by 28.1 by 9.8. So this is a super nice thin TV. It does come with a stand. The stands have the legs on each side. You can see this is the back of the TV. All your connections are right here. Your USB. You have an HDMI cord, and you also have these little spots right here to connect a TV stand if you want to put a wall mount on there. So it does have that. And then right here you have your HDMI, you have your power cable port, you have HDMI, you have your optical, and then you have an Ethernet port right here. So if you want to use Ethernet for internet, and then you have a cable mount right here. So all of your connections are right here. You have the power port right there as well. So the stands go on each one of these ones, and it is marked. One says left, the other one says right, so this is the right. So the legs itself do have the markings of left and right, so you don't mix them up. So they are very well marked, and they are super easy to put them on. All you got to do is grab the leg, push it in there, and pop it in there, and it should snap in place just like they did right here. So when you want to take them out, there's a little button right here to remove. So that says right. And inside there, it also says an R for the right side. So this is what it looks like from the bottom of the TV. So right now I'm just going to lift the TV up. On the very, very bottom, there is a remote part where there's a power button down here. Although you have a remote control, so you don't need to push this button, but it does have an option to turn the TV on from the bottom. So now that I have it put it on our TV stand, it does have these little white boxes on the side. Those are basically to protect the TV from cracking in delivery, and it does have a plastic film over it, just like a screen protector, but that is being removed. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to set this up. So it gives you two sample options. You can use a smartphone, or you can set it up on the TV itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up on the TV itself so I don't have to use my smartphone. So what it's going to ask you is to connect it via internet, because you need to use the internet features in order to finish setting up the TV. So I'm going to connect it via the internet. Alright, so now that it's connected to our network, it's going to take us to the main screen, and that is super easy to connect. So now this TV is not being used as a smart TV. We do have a Fire Cube that we are connected to. So right now it's in the main screen, and then it should go right to our device, which is the Fire Cube. So this shows you right here that it is using HDMI 1. And this is how simple it is to install and to start up this TV. All you have to do is connect it to your internet, and you should be well ready to use this TV. This is a super nice TV. If you're looking for a really nice, affordable TV, I would highly recommend checking out this Samsung Tizen TV. It is very clear. You can see that the 4K is really nice. It's got a really nice resolution. We're going up close, so you can see there is no pixelation of this whatsoever. It looks super nice, and I definitely recommend this TV if you're looking for a nice smart TV that is 4K.